1, 2, set, go.
All right, welcome to Peter Peter Part 2. This is a fun one, and it might be tempting to play with 3 fingers on this, but we're actually trying to work on 2 techniques. One is being able to connect your body with each note. You will produce a really good tone. It will be a much better performance if you learn that technique. The other one is being able to slide across the keyboard. So we want to get your hands moving instead of stuck in one position. Let's jump in and go ahead and learn this song. We'll start in the practice mode. Okay, so you find your set of 2. Take the top note and say black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Move to the set of 3 on the top note and play black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Using the same note, walking up twice. Walking up again. Walking up, and the same note to start the finish. Black, white, black. Skip the E. White, black, black, black. All right, let's find the set of 2 black keys and let's put all 4 parts together. Here we go.
1, 2, set, go.
Black, white, black, white, black, black, black. Set of 3. Black, white, black, white, black, black, black. Walking up. Again. And finish. Black, white, black, white, black, black, black. All right, go ahead and finish that song and then we will get to part 3.